It's a mango garden. You can say it as mango orchard. Here you can see there are a lot of mango plants which can be planted in some days. This is rainy season. In this season, most of the people of Bangladesh plant different types of fruits plant. I have an orchard. You can see there were different types of plants including mango plants, lemon plants, lychee plants, coconut plants, papaya plants, etc. This moment as well as this environment makes me mind blowing. When I feel upset and depressed, I try my level best to come such kind of beautiful place to make me enjoyable. And really this environment makes me happy. Every person is nature lover, so I am also. You can see this plant is red in color. It's also one kind of mango plant. There are different types and species of mangoes here, including Haribhanga, mango rupali, and so on. Most of the people love Haribhanga in Bangladesh. So the gardeners like to plant such kind of plants more and more. Dear viewers, there is a paddy field over there. That means just next to this orchard. You can see this view is awesome and it makes any person happy and mind relaxed. So try your level best to come such kind of natural beauty. Thank you.